Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to do a self-care video with Valentine's Day coming up just this Friday. I wanted to make a video all about self-care. Part of my self-care routine involves dessert and wine. Now keep in mind this is all about you, so you can definitely indulge a little on some of your favorite treats. Here lately for me, my favorite dessert is just simply chocolate covered strawberries paired with my all-time favorite wine, which is the cupcake Moscato. Now if you are into sweet wine, then I highly recommend this wine. Now I just only use two simple ingredients to make the chocolate covered strawberries. I use the baking chocolate and just some fresh strawberries. Now if you don't have a fondue pot, then you can simply just get a microwavable safe bowl and fill it up with the baking chocolate, and you want to microwave it in 30-second increments to get it all melted. My fondue pot actually gets pretty hot, so the chocolate melted super fast. So just dip your strawberries and enjoy. So the main part of my self-care routine is giving myself a goddess bath at least once a week. My goddess bath includes all of my favorite things that help me to relax and be calm and just be lovable to myself. I typically try to spend at least 30 minutes soaking in my goddess bath. Before I start my goddess bath, I do decorate the space with all of my favorite things, which include rose petals, my crystals, gems, candles, incense, oils, and my healing jewelry to help set the mood and to help set the intentions of my goddess bath. Also, since Valentine's Day is this Friday, I added a few decorations to my space that are more Valentine's theme. I added a cute little heart-shaped light and some long stem red roses, and I did also add some of my heartstring lights that I typically only use for Valentine's Day. Here is an overview of some of the oils that I place in my goddess bath. And then also here you can see that there is some sage. I typically use sage to cleanse the air, but in this video I actually use Palo Santo's wood, which I absolutely love Palo Santo's to cleanse my space and to set my intentions. Now I am just lighting my candles. This particular candle is the lavender chamomile candle. It smells so amazing, and I got that candle from TJ Maxx. I actually love getting the candles from TJ Maxx and Marshalls and Ross and places like that. They're super cheap and they really smell good. And then also I am lighting my tea lights and also my red candles, and those candles all came from Walmart. As I am preparing my goddess bath, I slip on this nice silk robe, and I also have on my yellow gold jade green necklace as well, which is one of my healing jewelry pieces. And before I run the water for my goddess bath, I will cleanse the bath area with the Palo Santo's wood, and I just light the tip and I let it burn a little bit, and then I let the fire blow out. And then next I typically I'll choose an incense, I think, to today I am using the rose fragrance incense, so I'll get that burned and set in my cute incense holder, which I actually got that from Five Below, and I think it was like $3 for that incense holder. And so here is me lighting the Palo Santos wood, and then I went ahead and just cleansed the bathtub area of any negative energy or any bad intentions that may still be lingering around. Now it's time to add all of your items to your bath. So the things that I add a couple sprays of rose water. I add my essential oils, which is the jasmine essential oil. I also use lavender essential oil and rosemary essential oil, depending on my mood and depending on what intentions I am trying to set. That's are the type of oils I will add to my goddess bath. I also add Himalayan bath salt to my goddess bath as well, and I also add like a bubble bath as well. And these two products are from the Dr. Teal. Now here I am adding some flowers to my goddess bath. I think this is what makes the bath so amazing for me, is adding the rose petals, and I have some sunflowers, and I had some hydrangeas, and I also believe I had the carnations as well. And so some of them I plucked the petals out to add to the goddess bath, and then there are other flowers I just add the actual bud of the flower just to make it nice and pretty, and also make it smell good. Like, it smelled so amazing in my bathroom when I was adding all of the essential oils and with the flower petals and rose petals. So it's just nice, relaxing, calm. Once I have everything added, this is how it looks. Looks so serene and calm, and it smells amazing, and I definitely feel relaxed. And here is how it looks once you turn off the lights. Again, it looks very serene, it's very calming, the smell is amazing, a lot of positive vibes. Just make sure when you are in this moment, you are giving yourself positive affirmations, you're telling yourself encouraging words, compliment yourself, you know. You have to be your own cheerleader for yourself, even when you don't have anybody there telling you these things. And that's so important, because a lot of times as single people, and even people that are with their significant other, sometimes you can feel alone. I think that comes from you not paying attention to yourself, and you not giving the love that you may give to somebody else. You're not giving that same love to you. So in this moment, while you are doing your routine goddess bath, just make sure you soak up all the good energy and just be present. Turn your phone off, play some soothing music of your choice, and like I said, just be in the moment. And I promise you, if you just do this at least once a week for just 30 minutes, you will feel so much better. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I will see you in my next video.